The average millionaire has 7 income streams. And the one that shows up most often? Real estate. Not because it's magic, because it's the one asset class where you can use leverage, tax advantages, and cash flow simultaneously. Whether interest rates are at 3% or 7%, real estate investors keep building wealth. The strategy shifts, but the fundamentals don't. Here's the framework that works in any market environment. Rule 1: Cash flow is king. Never buy a property that doesn't cash flow from day one. Appreciation is a bonus, not a strategy. Run the numbers conservatively, assume 8% vacancy, 10% maintenance, and 10% property management even if you self-manage. If it still cash flows after all that, it's a deal worth pursuing. Rule 2: Location beats condition. You can fix a bad roof. You can't fix a bad neighborhood. Look for areas with job growth, population growth, and infrastructure investment. These 3 factors predict property appreciation better than any other metric. Follow the jobs, and the tenants follow you. Rule 3: Leverage intelligently. A 25% down payment on a $200,000 property means you control $200,000 of real estate with $50,000. If that property appreciates 5% per year, you're earning a 20% return on your actual cash invested. Add in cash flow, principal paydown, and tax benefits, and real estate becomes the highest returning asset class accessible to regular people. Your next step: analyze one property this week. Use the numbers I just gave you. Even if you don't buy, you'll build the muscle of evaluating deals. Subscribe for more real estate breakdowns. I'll see you in the next one.